Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to enable Dolby Atmos options in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn on, customize our Dolby Atmos options, we have to go to Settings, then Sounds and Vibration, and here we have Sound and Quality Effects. In here, at the top of the screen, we have our Dolby Atmos options. To turn it on, we simply tap it once. To customize it a bit further, we have our options here. We can only choose music, movies, voice if you want to, or auto to optimize sound automatically for whatever you are listening to, as it is explained in this little info here. Back out. As you can see, Dolby Atmos is enabled, auto option is visible, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.